Hey Guitar Ninjas, and welcome to Riff of the Week. This week we're going to have a look at Aerosmith, or Aerosmith and Run DMC's Walk This Way. If you haven't seen Aerosmith before, check them out. There is loads of stage presence, especially from the singer, but really good catchy riffs. So this one is Walk This Way. So today we're going to have a look at the main hook. Now the main hook is all based around the A string, so our 5th string. And we're going to start by going open 1, 2. Now we can either pick this really quickly, but we're going to have to be nice and quick when we do this. So I'm going to use some alternate picking, down, up, down. If you're really confident with playing, then we can use this as a double hammer-on, so only have to pick once. Once we've got those first 3 notes, so like I say, the 5th string, open, 1st and then 2nd, so I'm going to use my 1st and then 2nd finger on the 1st and then 2nd fret. Then I'm going to follow by playing the 2nd fret on the 4th string, so just below where we finished. And I like to use my 3rd finger, so we're not going to do 1 finger per fret and move the 2nd finger down. Because of the speed, we want to get that 3rd finger in there. With picking, we get this. And then with the hammer-ons, we get this. So I feel this is going to be a fairly quick lesson. So we're going to go open 1, 2, then the 2 on the 4th string. We're going to repeat that a 2nd time. And then play our 6th string open. So playing it twice for the open 6th, we get this. Or this. We're then going to play that again, but instead of playing the open 6th, we're going to play the 3rd fret on the 6th, so this G note, and then go back to the 2nd fret on the 4th. So instead of playing the open, we're going to get 3, and then that 2. So we get this. Next one. So there's tab alongside this video, but that's the basic gist that we've got to work with. Then it's going to repeat it again with the 6. Then the last time it throws us off a bit, we're going to do the run. But instead of going to that 3 on the 6th and then the 2 on the 4th, we're just going to play an open A power chord. So our 5th string open and our 4th string on 2. And that's how we wrap it up. So that full riff. That's when it then kicks into the main riff with them vocalizing. So this is just the hook, the main catchy part of the song. So I'm now going to pick every note and play it nice and slow to help you really see it and break it down. So that once again at standard speed. And then finally with the double hammer-on, so like mini legato. Now weirdly I learned this fairly early in my guitar playing career, so my thumb, you would have noticed I've done some bad habits in there. It's because I learned this so early that I'd have to relearn that. So I've learned to go forwards, but sometimes I'll still have that bad thumb over the top hugging the neck technique. What that also caused me to do was make me want to do this run by going 1st finger, 3rd finger and then bar. Not suggesting that you do it this way, but just so you can see, this is what I would normally play if I wasn't thinking about how I'm teaching it. Quite a bit unusual to skip a finger out and then bar with that third finger, but it's just the way I went. So as usual with the riff of the week, it was a fairly short video, but underneath you'll have access to the tab, so you can have a look at that, get your practice in, and hopefully you'll be able to get those notes up to speed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment ideas for other riff of the weeks below, nice and short simple things like this that you think you might enjoy or others might enjoy. If you haven't been here before, then please think about hitting that subscribe button. There's a new riff of the week every week. If you're new around here, then you won't be aware of the Guitar Ninja Academy. It's an online site full of guitar course lessons, courses, and loads of fun game sides. You get to create your own guitar playing character that as you progress through the lessons, they get cooler and bigger, playing on more awesome stages, loads of achievements, and real clear progress for you to work towards. There'll be links for that in the description below as well, so check them out if you're interested, and hope to see you soon. See you in the next one. Bye!